Hi, welcome back to Physics Teacher, the channel that prepares you for the math and science contests from Waterloo. In this question, we know that QR and SR are the same length, and we're asked to solve for the angle Y. Give it a try, and I'll be right back with the solution. Okay, now, since Q and R are the same length, we know this is an isosceles triangle. And since this is 90 degrees, these angles must be 45 degrees. Next thing I can know is that if we take these two lines here, we know that opposite angles are equal. So if this is the angle Y, so is this. We can also do the same thing here with this angle Y. So that leaves us with this triangle. Now all of those angles must add up to 180 degrees. So we have 180 equal to 45 plus Y plus Y. Or when we rearrange, we have 135 equals 2Y. Or dividing both sides by 2, we get Y equal to 67.5 degrees. Or our answer is C.